back. In this video we are gonna see how to create interest for your YouTube channel. So do not skip this video. Do not forget to subscribe. Hit all notifications bell whenever we upload. You'll get notified. So without wasting time, let's get into our video. In this video we are gonna create it. So let's get into our computer screen. If you like this video, give a like, please subscribe, hit all notification bell and share it with your friends. And if you have any doubts, post it in the comment. Thank you for watching.